Edward Night Mail Trains. On the night, every engine sleeping is Edward, the little blue engine, has sleeping. And then Edward, 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 Edward! Whoa, 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 whoa. What does that? Again, what do I do? I'm sorry to wake up you this time, but you have to take the mail train to near the mainland. I worry you all day. Why did you make me sleepy? I'm sorry, Edward, but this is important. Alright, I will do. Edward, that has been carved out of the shed with the turntable moving outside of him. Very fast. Take a mail train. A couple of mail trains. He was waiting. He's gonna waiting for a signal. Of the yard. The train has been puffed along. The train was going so fast. Edward was very happy to take the mail train. But then Edward feels going to slow down, slow down, slow down, and slow down. Then he came to a stop. What's going on? Said Edward. I don't know, Edward, but I've seen your train, but your wheels is broken. Maybe we should fixing your engine. Driver and fireman try to fixing it, and then okay, now you get working again. Let's go. All aboard! It was tough of that bridge. The mail train has taken to the journey. And Edward came to a stop. And is the story of Edward Night Mail Trains.